Welcome to RGIPT Sivasagar Campus. Are you also looking for an engineering college with proper infrastructure and highly experienced faculty? Then you are at the right place. Hi everyone, I am a student at RGIPT Sivasagar Campus pursuing Diploma in Chemical Engineering. RGIPT is an institution of national importance established by the Government of India with its main campus located in Amethi, Uttar Pradesh. The branches offered here includes Chemical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Petroleum Engineering, Fire and Safety Engineering, Electrical Engineering, and Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. Each branch has proper laboratory facilities that help students gain hand-on experience along with theoretical knowledge. RGIPT has good infrastructure with spacious classrooms, well-equipped laboratories, and a library with useful academic resources. What truly sets RGIPT apart is its qualified and dedicated faculty. Our faculty are not only expert in their subjects but also mentors who guide us through challenges and support our growth. Placement opportunity at RGIPT are promising, especially through the strong reputation of the main campus in Amethi. The college also provides hostel facilities along with safe, comfortable hostels with basic amenities, study areas, and mess facilities. Overall, my experience at RGIPT Sivasagar Campus has been enriching. The strong infrastructure, supportive faculty, hostel lives, and career opportunity have helped me grow both academically and professionally.